Hi everybody and welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating today, this is a Hinds Bock Piston pump. It's all air operated. It's their model P128. Has a large cylinder about 5.5 inches in diameter. The specifications will be on our website under Filler's Piston. I've removed, this is just a heavy gauge hopper. Let's get a better look at the piston. We're just cycling now. Has about an 8-inch stroke. Has a polymer rotary valve, and there you see the valve open. And you're actually getting suction. You hear air blowing out. Naturally, you want to replace them, but the O-ring seals are still good. As we mentioned, all air operated stainless steel frame. We have lots of piston fillers in our stock, as well as all types of other filling and packaging, as well as processing equipment. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.